Everyone dreams about quitting their job, but nobody talks about what happens after. 2 months ago, I was sitting in my office, staring at my resignation letter, ready to quit everything. I thought this is either the best or the worst moment of my career. My brain was not braining, my knees were shaking, everything felt foggy. I looked up and saw a colleague. I silently showed him the letter. He nodded. No questions, just a thumb up. So I took the letter and went to the management's office. At first, it felt amazing. No deadlines, no boss, no 9 to 5. But then, something unexpected happened. I ran out of money. My personal projects failed, and honestly, I had no idea what I actually wanted. I realized the problem wasn't just the job. That company, yes, it was part of the problem, but the real issue was deeper. I didn't want and I didn't know how to take responsibility. I was used to being told what to do, and that doesn't work when you're working for yourself. Everyone dreams about quitting their job, but almost no one wants to be their own boss. Quitting didn't give me a purpose, it just gave me a blank page. So now I'm trying to fill it, learning new skills, creating things with my hands, exploring new places, and figuring out what I actually want to build. Leaving a job doesn't mean freedom, it means swapping a 9 to 5 for a 24/7. But if you care about what you are doing, it doesn't feel like work. This channel is me testing myself, learning, failing, starting again, and freedom comes with bills. So maybe YouTube will set me free, or at least pay for my coffee. Let's find out.